Incessant rainfall in Madhya Pradesh in the last 48 hours has disrupted normal life on a huge scale. Over a dozen districts have been impacted, while hundreds of people have been rescued. Thousands are still stranded in various places. 3 army helicopters have been deployed for the rescue operations. Times Network's Govind brings you this ground report from Hoshangabad district.
It's continuously raining for last 2 days in Madhya Pradesh in multiple cities of the state, and is still the red and orange alert declared in 22 districts of Madhya Pradesh. Right now we are reporting from Hoshangabad, where also it's raining at this time. I want to first show you the water level there on Narmada river of on this bridge. I want to show you, which is quite ramshackle. This bridge condition is also quite of deteriorated. You can see number of vehicles are just passing over the roads. You can see the diggings everywhere, and it's quite ramshackle bridge which was constructed in English rule, and it seems like this bridge is waiting for some big accident. As you see that the condition is quite deteriorated, the roads and the bridge condition is really quite poor, and here hundreds in fact thousands of vehicles are passing on this road every day. And I want to tell you the fact that this bridge connects Bhopal with more than 2 dozens of districts, and here across this bridge Hoshangabad district, then after many districts are there. But here I want to show you the flow of Narmada river, which has started to get up as it's raining continuously. And if we talk about the Chambal area, where Shivpuri, Gwalior, Shopur, every district is badly affected because red alert is announced by or declared by the meteorological department in Shivpuri district, where is still the rescue operation going on. Hundreds of people have been rescued. Aerial rescue operation is also going on. 3 Air Force helicopters are also engaged in the rescue operation, and hundreds of villages are really covered with the flood water, and thousands of people are stranded all across Madhya Pradesh. So there is still rescue operation going on.
प्रदेश के शिवपुरी, श्योपुर, दतिया, ग्वालियर, भिंड और रीवा के लगभग 1171 गांव प्रभावित हैं। विशेषकर शिवपुरी और श्योपुर में 2 दिन में लगभग 800 मिलीमीटर पानी गिरा है। ऐसा लगा जैसे बादल फट गए। इस अप्रत्याशित बरसात के कारण बाढ़ की स्थितियां बन गई।